Okay, today I'm going to be talking about the Clean Water Act of 1972. Originally enacted in 1948, the Federal Water Pollution Control Act, or the Clean Water Act, was totally revised by the amendments in 1972 that gave its current dimensions. Growing public awareness and concern for controlling water pollution led the enactment of the Federal Water Control Act amendments of 1972. People started to notice health implications of water pollution, contamination in water that led to gastrointestinal illness, reproductive problems, and neurological disorders. The Federal Water Population Control Act of 1948 was the first statement of federal interest in the clean water programs. It specifically provided state and local governments with assistance to funds to address water pollution problems. During the late 1950s and well into the 1960s, water pollution control programs were shaped by 4 laws that were in the 1948 statute. Water quality standards became a feature of the law in 1965 and required that all states set standards for interstate waters and would be used to determine actual pollution levels and control requirements. There was mounting frustration over the slow pace of pollution cleanup efforts, and people thought control technologies were being developed but not applied to the problems. Frustrations and increased public interest in environmental protection helped set the stage for the 1972 amendments. The 1972 statute set optimistic and ambitious goals. It required that all municipal and industrial wastewater to be treated before it was discharged into waterways, increased federal assistance for municipal treatment plant construction, strengthened and streamlined enforcement, and expanded the federal role while keeping the responsibility of states' day-to-day implementation of the law. The 1972 legislation declared it would restore and maintain the chemical, physical, and biological integrity of the nation's waters. There were 2 goals established: zero discharge of pollutants by 1985 and water quality that is both fishable and swimmable in 1983. This act empowered the EPA to punish polluters. It helped legitimize the young U.S. environmental movement at a key time in history. The Clean Water Act mainly targets the big source pollution like sewage leaks and oil spills, but has improved more than just water quality. Bill Holman, director of the State Policy of Duke University's Nicholas Institute of Environmental Policy Solutions, says it is one of the most successful environmental laws ever enacted. The country has made huge strides in reducing pollution from wastewater treatment plants and industries, and it has even helped spark redevelopment of many areas. People like being close to clean water.